Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little video about my 2003 Camry 2.4 liter ordinary backlight bulb. Okay there, but they are gone here. So just let's take a quick check how to change it. To just open the back. On the inside of this car, just a simple opening mechanism, and this is the, in here is all the bulbs, very easy put in. This ordinary driving or backlight bulb should be on the top. There. That was just a W50. Yeah, is it that simple? This one is blown. It's not difficult to see. Then I just have to see in my box of goodies. What kind of bulbs I have here. I have 5 watts, things like this. W5W. Now, you see, now I should get light here. Yeah. Let's get it back in. Oopsie daisy. It's just in. I can't see anything, so I just have to feel. There. Then just lock it back, and we have backlight again. This one looks a lot weaker. This one was bright and nice now. This side was not. I just changed on the other side too. Because it's so big difference on the other bulb was starting to go. So now it's new on both sides. That was a very simple light bulb change. If you know what bulb it is, that bulb is used a lot of places around the car. W50 W5 watts, 12 voltage of course. So, change there. Look here. I have pushed snow 2 times today. This car was without snow 2 days ago. I haven't used it in the last days. And the Outlander is gone lost. I've been very high. Yeah, finished with that. I hope you guys can come by and see more of my videos. I'm trying to make more simple videos like this too, how to change bulbs. I have some on both this car and some other cars too. So it's just looking through my channel and how-to videos, then you should find it. I have more than 500 30 or 40 videos now. So please come back. Please put a like on the video if it helped you. Please put a comment, that would be nice. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot. So thank you, welcome back.